Hi everyone on YouTube, this is Jeff from jeffmobile.com. I'm back with another short tech tip video blog. This time I'm talking about Google Play Books and how to solve an issue with Google Play Books. The particular issue is if you have an epub that you want to upload to Google Play Books on your local machine, say you got it from a website or you made it yourself, and Google Play Books sometimes has trouble importing epubs. It will work away for maybe 20 minutes and then it will say there's been an error importing the book, and instead of the book cover appearing in Google Play Books, you just get a broken book cover with an error message. So I learned a very nice trick to fix this problem, and if you have a program called Calibre, which you probably do if you use ebooks on Windows, Calibre lets you convert ebooks between different formats, such as epub for Kindle devices and other e-readers, and mobi for Amazon epubs for non-Kindle devices, and then mobi for Kindle devices. So the trick is, if you want to upload an epub to Google Play Books and Google Play Books is not able to import it properly, you should use Calibre to convert the epub to mobi format, and then use Calibre to convert the mobi format back to epub. And during that conversion process from epub to mobi and then from mobi back to epub, Calibre will actually fix any weird issues with the epub that are causing Google Play Books to reject the import. So that's my little trick. If you wanted to overcome the Google Play Books issue with not being able to import epub, just use Calibre to convert the epub to mobi, and then convert that mobi file back to epub, and that will solve pretty much 99% of all issues with epubs not being recognized properly by Google Play Books. So I hope that trick works for you. If you have any questions about exactly how to do that, if you're not familiar with Calibre, I'm sure there's many tutorials online of how to use Calibre to convert epubs and mobis. So please check it out, and please let me know any questions you have in the comments below. Once again, this is Jeff from jeffmobile.com. Hope this was useful, and talk to you soon. Bye.